Loro sexy. Hmm? How much is it? The entrance?
One pallet, and pallet.
Oh.
From October till March.
Yeah.
600 to 1800.
Wait, Jack, we need to. Oh, adult. £4, €4. Niños. 2. Retired. 65 años retired.
€2.
Hmm? €2. Oh, I can hear them. Let's go.
Duck there. Hey, duck. Let's see if we can see a better view over here.
She's got one egg falling out. See the one egg falling out?
Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She's getting a bit disturbed. What's with her? Okay. Oh, there's a duck there. See a duck somewhere there? Just one. There's another. Wow, that's a lot of ducks. Ugh. Oof. Let's see if we can have another peacock there. This is peacock. Peacock there. I mean up there. There's a peacock there. What do we have here then? Oh, pallets. Pallets. How many pallets? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 right there. And then over there, pallets.
Of course.
Of course? Okay. Whatever. Oh, tiny pallets. Oh.
They're big,
Yeah, they are big. Some of them. What? Some. Doing birds. Let me see. Wow. Pretty birds.
You can see them. There you go.
That's pretty birds. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. I don't know. Let's go for the next one then. What? Okay. Here's the ducks again. Oh, better view over here then. Hey, ducks. Big ducks. Big ducks. I don't know if there's any fish in there.
It's a green water.
Yep. It's like green. Oh, there's. Oh, what's that there? Pigeon. 2 pigeons, 3 pigeons there. 3 pigeons. There's someone hiding. Let me see a duck. More ducks. Okay, so that one already and that one. Wow, there's a lot of pigeons. Lots of pigeons. Look at all the pigeons, man. Feeding.
That's a lot of pigeons, maybe?
Yeah. Okay then. Let me see. What do we have here? Ugh. There's the pigeons, the better view here.
There's a lot of pigeons there, ne?
Yeah, pigeons. This one's okay. Oh, there's. Oh, Pudgy. Pudgy there. Pudgy.
See, Jack, you're not allowed to touch it. Oh, this is the nest they make. It's for
Caution.
caterpillars.
Oh, wow.
And it's poisonous.
Oh, something. We have this, honey, but it's not poisonous. It's just, you know, it's so
Yeah,
bad
well,
for your
that's it.
skin.
That's it, yeah.
That's it.
Okay then.
Oh, look, they're mating.
There's a
Oh, wow, they're mating.
mating.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, see the mating quick.
Oh, just kissing, not mating, just
Ah.
kissing.
Oh, they're just kissing.
Okay, just kissing. You balance.
Oh,
It's a
that's
cockatiel.
mammal there.
Cockatiel.
Oh, wow.
Cockatoo. Right there. And there's a tiny pallet. I saw that pallet already there. And see a tiny gap. Over there. Yeah. See that? Yeah, see it's just a bit up there. See that guy thing does the tail. There they are, the pallets. And right, so that's right then. What's over here then? What's over here? I know, poisonous. What's over here then? It's a noise. What do we have over there? Pallets? More pallets.
Going well, no?
Pallets. There's the word pallets there, isn't there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's pallets. Pallets. Lots of pallets. Pallets. Yeah. Island's milk on.
Look at that.
I don't know.
They're kissing.
Oh, Dan.
Yeah.
They're kissing. Look.
Yeah, you can see that.
What the heck? Maybe he's feeding her. I don't know.
I don't know. What the? See something like that? It's in a big pouch. Something. What the hell is it? I don't know. I don't know what the hell is actually. I don't know. Well, let's go. Let's go.
That's a very happy.
Big pallet. Big pallet. He's big. Very big pallet. I don't know. It's very big. The hell?
I think that's a black Corazon.
What?
Those are Crocs Elector.
Okay. Wow, big.
There they are. Jack, there they are.
Ah,
See them, Jack? See the caterpillars? The poison
Wow.
caterpillars?
Yeah.
that's the one knock.
Do not touch them.
Don't touch him. Okay, whatever you do, don't touch him.
Okay.
Wow. They ate the plastic. They ate the plastic, Mimi.
Wow. There's a white pallet. Somewhere there. I mean, white pallet. Somewhere there. There's tiny pallet there. Yeah. I saw. See if we want a pallet. Hey, it's a pretty flower.
Look, look.
What the hell? What's that? What's that?
How cute. Oh dear. Hello, I found you. It bit you. It bit you.
These are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah,
Especially the blue one.
that's the blue one.
Yeah, I've never
Pretty.
seen one like that before.
Oh wow. That's a pretty blue one there.
Flying. Is that there? What?
Where are we going now, Jeff?
I don't know.
This way, maybe?
I don't know what's under that, I think. Oh, we're not going there now.
I don't know. Nothing here. This way.
No, nothing there? Okay then. So this way then. Cute. That's a tiny little bird. That's a very pretty bird there. Sorry, it's just there.
Inshallah.
Very pretty bird.
Pouch and,
That's the one.
It's a bird there.
That's a pretty,
Pretty
one.
bird.
Blue. Very pretty.
Oh, there's a blue one there. There's a blue one there. There's just under there somewhere. Somewhere down there. By the blue one. I don't know. You can see it. Let's go now. Actually, well, let's go. What the? Hello. Hello. And let's go. I don't know. I don't know what. I need to catch up. I don't know. Oh, shit, like that. Oh, look at it. What's how you tell me? I don't know. Cactus or something? I don't know. Oh.
just a cat.
Yeah, cactus. Yeah, well, that cactus. I said already. Look at this. Though, I don't know. It's very spiky. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I'm serious. Don't touch it. I know. I saw that one. Is it? Wow. That's big. That's big too. Wow. Yeah, so. Up here? Yeah, cactus. Oh, fun tree. Short cactus there. And Here, well, we have more cactus. So many cactus.
Oh, there's a big glass of poop in there. Look.
Whoa!
That's
Seagulls.
seagulls.
Oh, look at that. The floor. Oh, no. There's that.
Okay.
Watch your step, everybody. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. God, it's lucky it's when didn't got hit. I don't know. Maybe hundreds of seagulls been here and then maybe this is their bathroom. Well, come on then. I've been waiting here for a long time. Yeah, that's our hotel. Why? No, somewhere there. Like there somewhere. Yeah, just by the cactus there. I'll put it on the top. Or something. There, that's our hotel. Right. Here's another cactus. There's another cactus. More cactus. Man, this is all about cactus now. It's everywhere. Cactus. This is all about cactus. It's a cactus world. This is. Let's go through here. Ah, right here. What do we have here? Another peacock. Down there, no, down there. Somewhere down there. No, it's up there. Yeah, there. Look close and you can see there. I'll point out it right above it. There.
It's a lima.
Oh, macaque. Lima there. Lima's somewhere in the bush now. Lima.
Okay.
Oh no. Macaque. Lima there. There's the lima. What's the peacock we saw sometime? We definitely saw lima. I mean peacock. There's it. Some of them hiding. There it is. There's one. He's big.
What is that? What call is that?
Macaque. Oh, lima.
No, we got lima.
Lima. Oh, turtle there. Turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle then.
I don't know. No. Tortoise.
That's the
He's
lima.
very
Climbing
slow.
upside down.
It's the first time I saw one. I don't know. It's the first time I saw one turtle. He's quite fast. No. Yeah. Lima there. There's a lima. Lima there. What's over here then? There's another lima. I don't know, everybody. Lima.
Pee-pee.
I don't know.
The only place where you see them is there's lots of different ones in your planets. It's Madagascar.
Eating there. Is eating? It's eating there. It's eating something there. I don't know what it is.
Look at that.
Oh, sure not that.
These are planets.
They're showing off.
I know what it is. Give it. Yes, that's a young one.
Oh, look.
Look. It looks like ours. Yeah.
Very small feathers. The peacock actually there, showing off. And and there's some macaque. Very tame macaques. I don't think they'll bite you enough. Macaque.
Sharp teeth.
Oh yeah. Well, they're not biters though.
Oh, they're not biting.
No.
There's the macaque.
Not because
How about these?
I don't know.
Hey, that's good. Close enough. You can see. Hey, girl.
Yeah.
Very tame. Quite tame.
It's tame, isn't she?
It's just a tame one.
Is she girl or boy now?
Oh, touch my finger like that. Oh, you like that, don't you?
It's a girl.
Yeah, okay. That's quite a young one. Oh, there's the peacock again. Just there. Poor Jack. There's the macaques. Macaques. Let's see if we can have a better look there. Down there. Macaques. Macaques. They eat scorpions, they do.
The camera cannot see now.
Also, there's the macaque.
There's just the macaque.
The macaque. Yeah. Beep. No. Beep.
Oh, look at that little kid standing up.
Yeah, still there. He's like,
Oh, look at that. After that, it's not standing
Yeah,
up.
standing up. It's very cute, but standing up. So. Two. Two standing up.